Welcome to Amphenol Custom Cable. Today, we're excited to introduce you to one of our specialized features known as the Punch-Out tool, allows you to create custom cable designs with ease. At the top of the page, you have the option to enter a part number for a quicker search. If you prefer to start from scratch, scroll down to explore your options. Hovering over an option will display a description at the bottom of the page. To build your cable, select the options for the cable itself. A downloadable specification sheet is available for each part by clicking the Technical Info button. Our system ensures that only compatible options are shown as you build, so you can rest assured that everything fits perfectly. Next, specify the length of the cable and any sleeving preferences. Once you've built your custom cable, you'll see an overview sheet that displays the part number and other key details. Select the intended usage of your product, either commercial or military. For commercial orders, quantity breaks and pricing will appear instantly. For military orders, additional details will be required. Fill out the necessary contact information, along with the desired quantity or quantity breaks. If applicable, check the ITAR box and complete the fields for program requirements and application or special requirements. Finally, select your SI requirement and click Request a Quote. Once your quote has been submitted, you'll receive a confirmation message and an automatic email with the details of your order, including our team's contact information. For further assistance, feel free to reach out to us at customcable.com. Thank you for choosing Amphenol Custom Cable.